everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 19, A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which animals were used in olden times for farming? Options: A. Horses, B. Bullocks, C. Elephants, D. Camels. Answer is B. Bullocks. Number 2. Which implement is used to plow a field? Options: A. A sowing implement, B. A spade, C. A plow, D. A flat board. Answer is C. A plow. Number 3. Which implement is used to harvest crop? Options: A. An axe, B. A spade, C. A crowbar, D. A sickle. Answer is D. A sickle. Number 4. What is the special dish prepared with various vegetables and spices cooked in an upside down pot during winter known as? Options: A. Sambharo, B. Bharthu, C. Desi Undhiyu Umbadiyu, D. Olo. Answer is C. Desi Undhiyu Umbadiyu. Number 5. Which crop is grown for producing cotton cloth? Options: A. Cluster beans, B. Sugarcane, C. Jute, D. Cotton. Answer is D. Cotton. Number 6. On which festival is it accustomed to eat undhiyu and jalebi? Options: A. Sharad Poonam, B. Dashera, C. Uttarayan, D. Janmashtami. Answer is C. Uttarayan. Number 7. Due to excessive use of which fertilizer does the constitution of soil get spoiled? A. Fertilizer of oily seeds, B. Chemical fertilizers, C. Cow dung fertilizer, D. Organic fertilizer. Answer is B. Chemical fertilizer. Next, question number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. A person who farms is known as a dash. Answer is farmer. Number 2. Damji Bhai stored good quality seeds for farming in a dry dash coated with mud. Answer is bottle guard. Number 3. To protect grains from insects, dash leaves are kept in them. Answer is neem. Number 4. To make desi undhiyu, vegetables with spices are kept in an inverted dash, which is then put on coals and allowed to cook. Answer is earthen pot. Number 5. Dash is obtained from cotton pods from which cloth is made. Answer is cotton. Number 6. If you want to eat fresh green vegetables, you have to wait for the dash season. Answer is winter. Next, number 7. Dash are made from rivers to provide water for irrigation of fields. Answer is canals. Number 8. To protect the crops from dash, pesticides are sprayed on them. Answer is insects. Now, question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statement that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. Number 1. A plant grows out of a seed. Answer is true. Number 2. Once the crop is ripe, it is harvested with a spade. Answer is false. Number 3. Organic farming is excellent for the health of human being. Answer is true. Number 4. Only chemical fertilizers must be used in fields to grow grains. Answer is false. Number 5. Earthworms make the soil fertile. Answer is true. Number 6. We should use various grains in our fruit. Answer is true. Number 7. Hasmukh Bhai kept up Damji Bhai's traditional method of farming? Answer is false. Now, question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from the column B in the answer column. So number 1, to get water out of a well. Answer is D, motor pumps. Number 2, excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Answer is E, fertility of soil decreases in the long run. Number 3, to get water for irrigation from rivers. Answer is B, canals. Number 4, organic farming. Answer is A, fertility of soil increases in the long run. Next, question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. From which grains are rotis made in your home? Answer. Rotis are made from wheat grains in my home. Number 2. From which grains can rotlas be made? Answer. Rotlas can be made from the flour of bajra, jowar and maize, which means corn. Next, number 3. In your house, what is done to protect grains and pulses from insects? Answer. In my house, grains and pulses are coated with castor oil and neem leaves or mercury tablets are kept with them to protect them from insects. Number 4. How did Damji Bhai store seeds for next year's crop? Answer. Damji Bhai stored the seeds for next year's crop in dried bottle gourd which was coated with mud. Number 5. What is enjoyed along with Deshi Undhiyu Umbadiyu? Answer. Hot bajra rotlas, freshly cooked on the chula, homemade butter, ghee and buttermilk are enjoyed with Deshi Undhiyu Umbadiyu. Next is number 6. What is the advantage of plowing the ground with the help of a tractor? Answer. It takes many days to plow the ground with the bullocks, but with the help of a tractor, this work can be done within a day. Next, number 7. Name 2 festivals related to farming. Answer. Lohri, Holi, Baisakhi, Onam, Asadi Beach, etc. are some festivals related to farming. So here we complete our question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.